Hey Grand Design family, my name is Jeff Mershon. I'm standing in front of the 260 RD. It's part of our 150 series in the Reflection lineup. We've been getting a lot of requests to have a look around in this. It's a new product or a new floor plan for us, and we're really excited about it. If you guys, after I'm done with this walk around, get online and check it out. Also run to your nearest dealer and see if they have it on their lot and ask to take a look inside for yourself. So what's really cool about our Reflection product is that we have unobstructed pass-through storage. This is going to happen on all Grand Design products. There's no wires or plumbing hanging down or anything like that, so you can just put your bags straight in there without having to worry about, wrecking the interior there. We also magnetize all of our baggage doors, which is just a nice, design feature. We're always thinking about the customer and how it's going to be useful for you. If you take a look over here, we have 15-inch E-rated tires, so those are 10 ply. Those have a 5-year warranty. 1 year of that is no questions asked. Our Dexter axles also have a 5-year warranty. And then what's really great for you guys, when we talk about R values and how this thing's gonna hold up in diverse climates, we have a R40 value on the roof and also in the front cap. We also insulate underneath the gooseneck as well, which goes missed by a lot of manufacturers. R9 in the walls and then R30 in the floor. So what's great about this R30 value here in the floor is that we have forced air going into the floor, in addition to the radiant heat that comes off of our HVAC. So this is really gonna hold up very well for you guys when you're doing late season camping or even into the winter time. We've seen this perform well past our testing. So this is a great feature for you guys. Another thing is that we have the friction hinge door. So this is never gonna slam on your hands or anything like that. Aluminum steps, which aren't gonna rust and bind. They also look great rather than steel steps. Large entry handle when you're coming up, so you can get up there safely. If you're, have grandmas or grandpas coming with you, or even little kids, just something to hold on to when you're going inside. What I really love about this coach is that it has 20 feet of awning coverage. So, when you're outside, the whole point of camping is to be outside and, enjoying that. You can put a picnic table under here. There's also LED lights, which just look pretty sharp. And then we have outdoor speakers as well. If you guys want to follow me up to the front, what's really cool about our 150 series is that it comes standard with a turning point pin box. What the turning point pin box is going to do is allow you to save a little bit of money because you don't need a swivel hitch. What we do is we have a pin here, you take it out, you lock this area up here, and then you're swiveling from here. So if you have a truck that has a 5.5 foot bed, you can still make 90-degree turns. So this is a cost savings, and that comes standard with our 150 series. If we come around here, we're gonna have a little solar port here. That's gonna allow you to trickle charge your battery. A lot of places that you're gonna be camping in Arizona, California, Colorado, you can just take a little portable solar unit, put it off to the side, and trickle charge your battery. If you look over here, did you guys see that light turn on when I put my hand there? We have motion sensor lights on either side of this pass-through storage. This is really great. Another thing, we're just thinking about the customer and how you guys are using the coach. So our product designers are, they're out camping and really using these things, so they know, what it's like to be in your shoes. With that said, if you take a look at our water management system, it's color coded, and then you can turn these dials to, for whatever situation you're in. If you're dry camping or you're on city water, you want to winterize. It also has a power tank fill, so you can set it to this setting here, and you can pull your antifreeze in, pull your water in. The tanks or the pools are right here in the water management system on this floor plan. So just really a lot of ease of use. What I really love, and what I don't think gets mentioned a whole lot, is that we have a dedicated heat source under here in the pass-through. So this area is going to maintain a nice temperature. It also gives you the effect of heated floors. So we're always thinking about having a residential coach, residential features, and I want to show you some of those on the inside. This is huge also. Grand Design was the first in the industry to have a 3-year structural warranty, 1 year bumper to bumper. We really honor this warranty. We take it very seriously. We PDI or have a pre-delivery inspection, a 280-point check system before we even send this off of our line, and we do that on every single coach. The 3-year structural warranty, we actually built these units to live up to that. So when we're laminating our walls, we're framing out every single opening along the side wall. We're using Mylar tape, and then we're using silicone as a a secondary seal, so you know, you're protected from the elements. There's not going to be water damage or anything like that. The roofs are always fully walkable, so they're going to be 16 on center studs. It's a vaulted ceiling, and then we also have vents up there, so it's going to act as an attic, pulling any moisture out and heat out in the summertime. So just another great feature for you guys. Hey folks, moving on to the interior of the coach. This is why we've been getting such a huge response, because of the floor plan and the layout. This is an open concept, so you can have a lot of people in here, but ultimately it's a couples coach. If you look back here at the U-shaped lounge dinette, you can take this table off, you can put it down here, put cushions on top, so it's another sleeping area. So if you have some guests over, this really solves that problem of people who are looking for something for themselves but want to have their grandkids along, or want to have some family, maybe a couple nights a year. You don't have to make that huge decision of what to do. So we've kind of solved that for you. Another thing that I really love is all the windows in here. We have 2 windows on the back side walls, and then we have a large panoramic window here. So you have great views of your campsite. You can wake up in the morning, be making some coffee, and you can see out of every window and just getting tons of natural light in here. Another thing that's really great is this, huge theater seat here. It has both massage and heat in it, so you're gonna be comfortable. I love that you can sit here. You can also be having a conversation with people over here. So it's really, just a really kind of social environment. Another great thing is that our televisions always come on a swivel arm, so you can face it back to the lounge, you can face it at the theater seats, and you don't have to sacrifice your seating. If you guys are cooks, the countertop space here, it's like 8 to 9 feet of countertop space, and then we also have an extension right over here, so it just kind of increases all of your area for cooking. We have a residential faucet here that pulls away and comes up, so you have a little sprayer on it. The sink is a stainless steel farm sink, so you can actually do dishes in here, which is really nice. A lot of times that sink is broken up and you just really don't have enough space to do a dish or anything like that. What I love talking about in Grand Design, when you walk in here, you don't have a chemical smell from the compressed wood. We're using hardwood, hand-rubbed maple, metal pulls, metal hinges, metal slides on all of the cabinetry, so it really has a residential grade. I counted 26 different doors and drawers just in this area alone, so you have tons and tons and tons of storage space. But yeah, when you walk into this unit at the dealership, or any Grand Design unit for that matter, start using that cabinetry and just see how good it feels to use. Over here, we've got a little bit of a pantry, so you can store your food or whatever it might be. This is huge in this coach. It's a 12 cubic foot fridge. Typically you're going to see an 8 cubic foot fridge, but this just allows you to stay places longer without having to make as many trips out to the out of the campground and out of the place where you're having fun. Something that you're going to see on every single Grand Design unit, this is a DNA thing for Grand Design, is that in our floors we don't use any ductwork. It's always going to be up on the wall, somewhere hidden, so you're not going to have dog hair, popcorn, things like that falling into it. I really love it because when you walk into the coach, your eye doesn't directly go to a register in the floor. I think it gives a really wide open look to the floor plan, and I think it's a great feature, and our customers really love it. So those are some things that you might not notice right off the bat, but those are huge for Grand Design. Another thing is that look at the height on this slide. I'm 6 foot, okay, 5'11", but I can fit right under this slide. So just the space that you get in these units is really incredible. If we move up to the bathroom and kitchen, it's going to be a little bit of a tight squeeze, but we can still demo it. Motion sensor light right here, just turned on as I walked in. We're doing things like using a porcelain toilet, not a plastic toilet. In our shower, you have tons of headspace in here. I love this kind of Euro curtain here. Very durable. It has a 3-year warranty on this material here, 5 years on the structure, so don't be scared, to get in here and actually use this thing. As we're moving into the bedroom, this is a true 60 by 80 queen bed. You have a large panoramic window in the bedroom, so when you wake up, you can, look out of your campground, see what's going on, see what your friends are doing, and then the bed lifts up. You have storage under there. And look at the quality of wood we're using under there. You have struts, So it's really easy to lift up and you can store your tables or whatever it might be in there. Over here, there is a little bit of storage, a lot of storage with motion sensor lights in here. This is great, so you have a place to put your clothes and hang your clothes. You guys, I really think that this coach is very unique. It's very versatile. It was built with customers in mind. So yeah, when you can, get out there to your dealership, your local dealership, or get online or call us or write in or whatever it is if you want to know more information about this. So thanks for watching. I'm out of breath. Have a good one.